Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're over here at OFW Center of Pasig City, and you can get your NBI clearance over here, BIRTIN identification card, SSS. You can process your SSS in this area also, and if you are going abroad, you can apply over here at their OFW Center. So I really love the services of what PAS is offering right now. So even I am living in San Enrique, but I can go over here and process my NBI clearance, SSS, TIN number, and so on and so forth. So right now we are going in front of the Pasig City Capitol. That is the Pasig City Capitol, right, guys? So we just only passed by on that area. We're going to the way going to the hospital of Pasig City at the Don Valerio Memorial Hospital of Pasig City. So they have so many employees. Pasig City is creating a lot of jobs for their population. So yeah, that's the capital, guys, of Pasig City, and that's Pasig City. So that's the way going to the hospital of Pasig City, guys. Actually, their capital is quite far away from the market of Pasig City. So this is their way going to the market also. There you go. There we go. After we our driving from Pasig capital, we directly go over here at the public market of Pasig City. And yeah, this is the street or the busy streets of Pasig City. Mostly you can see it, the tricycle, which is color yellow. It means they are serving a public transportation, guys. So they have their own color coding. That color coding, it means that the Pasig City only tricycle allowed to pick up passengers. So right now we are over here at the dried fish market. So they are the vendors from the different places, just like Rojas City or in the province of Capiz, and then those are came from the northern part of Iloilo, which is from like Estancia, Concepcion, or Carly. So they are vendors. They call it in our own dialect, which is they are volantero. So it means they are a business in a different places that they just only came by over in the Pasig City in just one day to sell their products, just like a dried fish. So commonly, people over from the northern Iloilo, they are selling or making dried fish. So right now we are looking for a different dried fish that we got over here at this public market. Actually, this is only I guess it's a one-fourth wings of the Pasig public market. Guys, the Pasig public market is such a huge market. So this is just only a part of Pasig City public market. So they are in front of the wet market of Pasig City, which as you can buy a different uh, types of meats and porks. So yeah, look at that. There are so many huge dried fish that they call it like lesson, and then there are some small also, but the very expensive, guys, because this is already dried. So the per kilogram is quite different if it is already dried. Yeah, and this one are very salty. The dried fish, it won't stay long if it is not very salty. So what I am buying over here, I like to buy these dilis, or we call it in our own dialect the baringon. Per kilo of baringon is 420, and yeah, I just only buy 1/4 of the baringon, so that I love baringon anyway. Tagalog of the word baringon is dilis. Yeah, there we go. So I asked the vendor that I would love to buy the baringon or dilis. Yeah, yeah. So she is um, put inside of the plastic of that baringon. I don't want to buy that she already put inside of the plastic, because I didn't see the how much kilogram that or yeah, that she put inside of that. So that's the reason I wanted to look at if how many pounds or how many kilograms is that. So after that I paid for her, um I look over in a different space also after I pay for her. And then yeah, there are so many dried fish, and what I am buying over here is this dried small shrimp. This is very pretty good. You can cook your vegetables that put like yeah, there's a small shrimp. It has a skin, but this is a good one if you are cooking some vegetables, just like a soup vegetables. You can use this for a soup of vegetables, and your vegetable, it has a nice tasty, it's very tasty, I mean. So it's just only 1/4, guys, and I just only pay around 85 pesos. Yeah, that dried shrimp. All right. After that, I pay for it. Um, I go roaming here and asked if how much that big lesson dried fish, because I would love to buy that and sell over at my sari-sari store. But uh, well, I decided not to buy that anymore, because I don't know, sometimes people would be buy, sometimes not. So I asked him, the vendors, if how many kilos in that one lesson. So it has 2 kilograms. It has 2 kilograms, and it costs around 450. One of that big or huge lesson. We call it lesson. I don't know in the English name of the dried fish. So here we go, guys, and I am roaming around and I buy a small kind of fish. And before that, I buy a skinless shrimp. This is perfect for your, especially if you are making uh, pancit. Yeah, this is a good one. And then if you are cooking a Valenciana sticky rice and different meats that they um like pork or mostly that the part of the Valenciana is a pork and liver of the pork. So it's cost around that one. It's cost around 100. How much is that? 120? I forgot. Yeah. So here we go. I would love to buy some small dried fish, but I decided that I won't do that. But in the end, I buy some. I buy some, and until now, I love. Sometimes I love eating dried fish. So that's what I am buying, guys. I'm so cheapskate. I am very cheapskate. Okay, don't bully me. Yeah. Yeah, those I just only buy only for 50 pesos. And my 50 pesos are very many. Guys, I would be having having a gallstone with this. Anyway, so yeah, it's just only 50 pesos I buy for that. Yeah, and until now, there it has so many. All right, and then I said decided that supposedly I will gonna buy around 1/4 kilogram, but I realized that it's too many, so I asked the vendors that it's just only 50 pesos. So there we go. That's the 50 pesos that I got from the uh, that vendor. So we are in front of the public market. I mean the wet market. Did you see that the chickens or the native chickens they are selling that there also? So here we go. I am going to the part of they are selling bread or buns, something like that. I was thinking to buy some bread but or buns, but I decided not to because I said what I am going to do with this. This is carbs. I sorry about that. Now there are some of course vendors selling over here also, but yeah, the dried fish. And then when I go over there, they are selling a lot of mangoes. Right now over here in my place is the season of mangoes. So there are some people that they are selling their second-hand clothes. So how how much per kilo of mangoes is just only 50 pesos. $1 equivalent to the US dollars. So that's the yeah, the place that I really wanted to buy buns or bread, but I decided not to buy for now. So I came back and I walked back where I started to walk towards the Pasig City Public Market, and then I crossed the road because I am going to Unseen to buy a different kind of stuff that I wanted to sell over at my sari store, just like the umbrellas, just like what the stuff that I buy from yeah, the socks, foot socks, and then some what are the things that I buy? I forgot, but I have some just like tawas. Until here